Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to change your video resolution from low resolution to 4K UHD higher resolution using Filmora video editing settings. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to drag the poor resolution video into the timeline. So go ahead and click on Keep Project Settings, just like so. So how do you upgrade the low resolution to 4K resolution UHD in Filmora? Having dragged the video clip right here, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to this particular icon right here, click on settings, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on change aspect ratio. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here and make sure you switch to 3840 by 2160, which is known as 4K UHD. Click on that. Once you click on that, choose your frame rate right here. You can decide to put it in 30 frame rate per second, 50, or what have you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to leave it in 30 frame rate per second. So you can save it as your default, or better still, go ahead and hit on OK. And with that, continue your editing. So once you are done with your editing, export the video. When you export the video is going to give you the accurate or 4K higher resolution when you export finish in your Filmora video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.